What is up guys, TSL here back with a brand new video. In today's video I will be teaching you guys the basics of module scripts. So to get started with a module script, you usually place them in one of two places. If you only want them to be accessed on the server, you place them in server storage usually, and if you want them for both server and client access, you put them in replicated storage. So I'll just put mine in replicated storage for now, and let's get started. So a module script is basically like a huge table that is a script. Module scripts are mainly used for organization and to make, basically module scripts are made to make reuse easier and to keep your game more organized. Module scripts are also commonly used in the OOP, aka object-oriented programming style. Now, we won't be really talking too much about that today because we're only going to be getting into the basics. Now, basically, to get started with a module script, you can basically, to declare a value in it, let's say we have like module.myFirstValue, and then you put an equal sign and you make it equal to whatever you want. Like we can make it equal to hello world. And then to actually get stuff from a module script, what you do is you go into a different script, right? You get your services, so game::get_service replicated storage, then you get your module, and the way you get the module is you use the require function and then the path to the module, so rs.moduleScript. Now if we print out our module, it will print out just like a table does and print out everything in our module script. So we should only get myFirstValue is equal to hello world. If we scroll up to where it printed, you see myFirstValue is equal to hello world. Alright, so that is how you make like little values in your module script. And now to make functions, you'll have two different ways. You have function module dot my function, and you could take in like your name, or we'll make my module dot make person, and you could do that, or you could do like function module colon make person, but that is more commonly used in a different way that I'll show you in a second. But let's continue with this example. We're going to be making a person. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually use something called meta tables. Now, I'm not going to explain meta tables too deeply because I don't want to misinform you guys at all, because I am not the greatest expert in meta tables, but I do know something. I will link, however, a DevForum community tutorial in the description that has helped a lot and will help you a lot if you read it all. Alright, so anyways, the way we start is we use a meta method, and this will be the __ index meta method. We will just make that equal to the module. So that means every time we try to index something, like in this script, we will be, if we don't find it directly in the module, we'll be trying to look for it like in every index in the module. It will basically recursively look until it finds it. So we'll just set that to itself, and then in here what we want to do is we'll do like a new person is equal to a table. This will just be empty now. And then here we want to set meta table, and we want to set our new person to our module. So now new person is a meta table of the module. Now what this means is if we do like a new person dot age is equal to like 25, and like new person dot eye color is equal to blue, and then we return our new person, what this means is if we do over here, we'll say like local person is equal to module dot new person, and if we print out person, what you'll see is we get person, but we'll also have the new person method in there. So we'll get like the eye color and the age, and we'll also get something else in a second. We forgot to pass in the name. Also it's called, let's just say new person, and we'll set a name because new person dot name is equal to name. Then here we'll say new person, and we'll say TSL. Alright, so if we print person, and over here we scroll up to where it printed, see it prints age, eye color, and name. Okay, but now what if we want to make a function to update our person? So what we usually do here in these cases, we make a function module, and instead of using the dot, we use the colon. And what this allows us to do is get access to a variable called self, and self will reference, well, itself, and it's only available when you use the colon. So if we do like update stat, or we'll do like update feature, and this will take in a feature. Then what we can do is we can do self at our feature index is going to be equal to our feature, and we'll actually have a feature comma new value, and we'll have our feature is going to be equal to our new value. So now this is setting it to itself. So basically we can call this on our person directly. So we can do like person colon update feature, and we can pass in like age and make it like 40 now. And then if we print person, let's actually print person before and after. So print person. Now what you'll see is the first time it prints, we get age 25, eye color blue, name TSL. Then we get age 40, eye color blue, and name TSL. So basically self will just reference itself. So I'm trying to explain this in a way that makes more sense. So basically we make a new meta table here, and these are all properties of itself, right? This is like the parent, and these are the children. So self would be the parent, and feature will be a child that it's looking for in there. And since we're using these brackets and the equals, if that feature doesn't exist already, it'll just make a new one with this value. So yeah, that's how that's the basics of module scripts and meta tables and meta methods. Well, I only showed one meta method, so basically that's just the basics of meta tables and module scripts. Now module scripts are actually really fun to use, and I have to start using them more in my videos and just overall. So anyways guys, if this helped you out and you enjoyed the video, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and really motivates me to keep making content. Other than that guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.